Well, I am home. Whoa, it's so dark down here. I wonder what's going on. I can't see a thing. Let me turn on this light. It's kind of dark. Wonder what's going on. Whoa, what is this? I can't wait to open this.
Here we go!
Hello buddy, Koreyexpress2 here and welcome back to my channel. Before I begin on this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell on, follow and make your donations in the description down below. So without further ado, let me get started on saying, what a surprise! I got home, you guys seen it earlier on this video that got home early. And it was dark anyway, and I came across this box that appeared out of nowhere. I almost tripped over it. So I had to drag it over here by my little area that I never used over here before, but this would be my little new area for reviews and stuff. Like this big item that I got, you know, as a Christmas present and of course birthday gift from a person that lives here in my house, actually, or the lady's house that I live with. She ordered something in the mail, and she told me that it was my Christmas gift / birthday gift, because my birthday is actually coming up pretty soon on a Sunday, and I'm going to be enjoying my birthday celebration. You know, I always do the dinner anyway. And this time it's going to be at 1 o'clock at Golden Corral anyway, in my local area. And now I'm going to tell you this is my first birthday gift I ever got. And of course Christmas from this particular household and the lady upstairs. And I want to thank again for that lady for spending well over $200. I never had somebody spend over $200 on me before. Usually be like between like $20 or $40 on me, but never $200. And this was well over $200, I heard. And the lady told me to be careful. There's some parts that's inside this box, but I'm going to check and see what's in this box actually, because it was a pretty heavy box. Well over 100 pounds, so that was a, you know, pain to push over and pushing this area actually. I'm going to start utilizing this area for unboxing and reviewing, because I don't have a table yet, so I don't know if whatever's in this box can consider I don't know what it is. Because I was hoping for a computer table and desk. I don't know. Yeah, computer table and desk and a chair too, but I don't know what's in this box. I'm gonna find out. I got my tools here. I got this bad boy, the box cutter here. I'm gonna open this and see what it is. You guys will see my lovely feet here. It says on the top of the box not to use sharp blades, whatever, but I'm going to open up because I can't get it to be open with my fingers. I'll try my best not to cut it. There you go. Let's see what's inside of it. It's a big area. What in the world is this? Got some foam there, whatever. Ooh. Tell me this is not a computer. Tell me this is not a computer chair. What? Yes, it is. I want to sit down and you guys will see my feet. What? Okay. Yes, it is a computer seat. or gaming seat. Wow. I'm going to show you the parts in a second, you guys. It is a gaming seat. Holy crud. Wow. It's going to take me a little bit to try to get this out. Hopefully the instructions. No wonder why it's so heavy. All the parts are really heavy. You guys will see the parts in a second once I, review it here and also on TikTok. If you guys haven't followed me on TikTok, go check the link. It's in the description down below. Because I do some crazy stuff on there. Wow! The gaming chair. You know, I was trying to figure out, trying to get a gaming chair, but the gaming chair is so expensive. Wow, my goodness. I'll show you guys probably a little later once I put all this, I'm not gonna put it together, but I'm gonna put all the parts into one so you guys will see what I'm talking about. But oh my goodness, and the parts are really heavy. I'll show you guys in a sec, but this is really cool. I better take care of this. So once I get rid of this box here, I'm going to show you guys all the parts before I assemble it and see how it goes. So give me a sec and I'm going to put the parts like right in front where this box is. Wow, that was a really incredible unboxing there. I had to take all the parts out because I want to make sure I got all the parts. This is a gaming chair. 100% gaming chair. I wonder why it's cost over $200. But that was a real surprise. I needed a chair. And what a surprise. Definitely worth a Christmas and a birthday gift. Thank you so much, the lady that lives in the house. I can't say her name because I don't want to get in trouble, but thank you for the birthday / Christmas gift. And I've been needing a chair, so once I assemble this, you guys will see me, start streaming and playing the games and stuff. You'll see me in the chair. But the next thing I need to get is a gaming chair, or not a gaming chair, but a gaming table, because I need a gaming table because that way I can hold my mic, because my mic cannot be sturdy on a particular, table that I have set up right now. That's going to be next on my agenda trying to get. But I am revealing a new gaming chair, and let me say this, it's going to be a long time to me for me to assemble this chair so I can be able to sit in and, not sitting on my bed no more. Thank goodness. I'm going to be saving my bed for another year without breaking it. So, yay. This is going to be a long time assemble, but, you guys will see that. Now I have a gaming chair. I'm getting ready to assemble it, and I will see you guys later. Maybe it'll be a little bonus clip after this, so you can see the full gaming chair and how it looks. Because I think this is really awesome. So I will see you guys in a little bit, and hopefully you guys will see how my gaming chair works, and hopefully I'll and enjoy the seat, because I heard gaming chairs are 100% comfortable to sit in, and I'm planning to see if this is going to be comfortable for me to actually finally get rid of sitting on my bed. And I'm going to be so excited, but hang tight and I'll be right there, and hopefully you guys will see the finishing touch on the gaming chair. Now, here comes the bonus clip. Now, y'all been waiting for. It's finished! The gaming chair is finished! It looks really nice, actually. I gotta say, it's the most comfortable chair that I ever sat in. I'm gonna show you guys in a quick sec once I switch over. Alright, so the chair is more comfortable than I thought. It swivels back and forth. You can adjust the back part. Took me a while to actually assemble because, some bits and parts, I had to, kind of go over from the instruction manual that I see in the chair itself, but more comfortable. In the back of me, there's several pillows. There's one that's massaged too, and it really works great because when I have a bad back, I can be able to plug into any wall outlet or my computer, and actually it's gonna massage my back. But the back of the neck pillow here supports my back, my back of my neck because it's real soft. So yeah, a little bonus clip. You guys will see that the gaming chair is finished, and it took me a while, and I was real surprised that I got a Christmas gift and a birthday gift as well. My birthday's coming in a few days, and by the time this video will be out, it will be a grand slam because I'm gonna be enjoying myself, not sitting on my bed, and actually play some games on this chair now because I don't have to worry about trying to adjust, the way I sit on the bed no more. So that's good. I'm gonna be venturing now. I'm trying to get a computer gaming chair, computer gaming desk because the chair right now, it's gonna be with me forever. So as long as I take care of it, it's fine. And man, I'm glad I'm out. I'm glad I'm not sitting on my bed no more. So that's an A plus. It's been a while. I've been trying to get a gaming chair, and I got it for a gift, for a birthday gift and Christmas gift. Really, he come in handy. So now, again, I'm going to be looking for a gaming table, and hopefully I can get rid of the small little dinky little table that I have to set up my computer and my mic. I'm looking out for that as well. But anyway, you guys, I will see you guys later. Koreyexpress2. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, follow, and make a donation in the description down below. And tell me what is your favorite gaming chair or whatever game you have, or if you have some cooler gadgets you'd like to show me. You can tag me, whatever, but make sure you subscribe so that way you can be able to get a notification for me because about 89% of you guys are not subscribed, and I need you guys to do that because I need all the love and support. And some of you guys haven't put that bell on because that bell on is very important. So 30% of you guys have not put that bell on because I just want to make sure you guys understand that I'm here to entertain you guys, make things right, make good legit video contacts, and more. Before I leave, there's several updates I have to share with you guys real quick before I end the video. Three of my YouTube, YouTube channel has changed. I made a travel channel. You guys go check it out because I'm going to try to travel around the New England area and, of course, the United States. And then the other one is going to be my official gaming channel. So that's why this here came to handy because I could be able to play games now. That channel is called Rainbow Extreme Gaming or Rainbow Extreme Gamer. And, you guys go subscribe to that channel too because that channel used to be Mr. Whip, but I had to get rid of those videos because I wasn't making anything off of those videos, and I'm trying to start a gaming channel, so you guys will see. There's gonna be a lot of gaming stuff on that channel, like Animal Crossing, Super Smash Brothers, a lot of those Nintendo Switch games that you love and adore to death. But mostly it's gonna be like, you know, Super Smash Brothers and Animal Crossing, and of course Mario Maker 2, because I want to start a career on YouTube trying to do those gaming stuff that people always do. Now, that gaming channel is not just a gaming channel. It will be a reveal of like trading cards and of course different variety of plush that people love and adore to open and review, like Pokemon, for example, or Magic the Gathering, or maybe I'll do maybe meme complimentaries, whatever, or trying to do some other stuff on that channel as well. Like I said again, my travel channel will be just traveling to different parts of the world, adventure, go to the music parks, and having just fun. And then my real fan channel, which is Speed Tracker 2000, all about trains and whatever's on the train and how train is and stuff. It's really cool. It's a really cool channel. You can check that out. It's actually my channel as well. And then this main channel will be, you know, for anything that goes. So you guys don't understand that. And finally, just to you know, to give you guys an update for the channel, I'm not doing those spooky whatever because I'm trying to keep myself safe. So just to let you guys know that. But anyway, this is Koreyexpress2. Thank you guys for watching the brand new gaming chair that I got, and it was a really surprise. But I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and peace.